I am a beginner, I want to learn Selenium automation testing course, then how much Java knowledge is required to become a perfect Selenium automation testing engineer? So I'm going to explore how much Java knowledge is required to become a Selenium automation test engineer. So watch till the end of video, then you definitely get aware of how much Java is required to become a test automation engineer. So this is Lakshman. Welcome back to another useful video. Before going to discuss about the main topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon as well. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. How much Java knowledge is required to become a Selenium automation test engineer? So before that, let me tell you why programming language is required to become a test automation engineer. In fact, to write any test cases or test scripts using Selenium automation tool, then it definitely require any one programming language, not only Java programming language. It might be any programming language like C Sharp or Python or Perl or JavaScript, because Selenium automation testing tool supports various programming languages. But I highly recommend you can learn either Java programming language or Python programming language or C Sharp. Okay, because most of the job openings are, because in the IT industry most of the job openings are the combination of Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python. Okay, in the third place Selenium with C Sharp also. Therefore, you must know any one programming language to test the any web browser or web application. Okay, so you may not test the any web application using Selenium only. You have to use one programming language also along with Selenium. Okay, then only you can test the applications or software with the combination of Selenium with any one programming language. Now let's talk about the main topic, how much Java knowledge is required to become a Selenium test automation engineer. See friends, in case if you are a computer science background candidate, then it is very easy to you understand the Java programming language concept. You already know what is programming, what is software, okay, what is a variable, what is an identifier. Okay, so you know some syntax, you know some structure of the programming language. So therefore you can easily habitate to learn any new programming language if you are a computer science background candidate. In case if you are non-IT background candidate, then it is some little bit difficult to understand the programming language concept. So therefore, before learning a Selenium course, first you have to complete the any programming language course. Then only you can understand the Selenium course. Otherwise, you may not understand the Selenium topics, how to write the test cases to test the web application. Then what are the main Java concepts you have to focus to write Selenium test cases or Selenium test scripts? Okay, so I will tell you step by step what are the main topics you have to cover or you have to learn in Java programming language. That is, first one is you must know what is a variable, how to declare variables, okay, how to utilize variables, and also you must know different data types as well. Okay, so these are the basic fundamentals concept of any programming language, not only Java programming language. In any programming language you will find these things: what is a variable, what is a data type, how many types of data types are there, and which data type is which purpose. You must know these basic things. Okay, after that you must know what is constructors, especially in Java programming language. And also while you are writing any test cases in Selenium, constructor concept is very important. Number of times you are going to use constructors concept in real time in real time projects. Okay, so therefore you must know different types of constructors and how to use constructors and how to call from one constructor to another constructors. You must know these things. Okay, so after that you should know control statements like if else, okay, and switch statement. Even developers also, these concepts are regularly used to develop their real-time projects, like if else, okay, and switch statement. After that you must know some loopings as well, like a while loop, do while, and for loop and for each loop. Okay, so these concepts also regularly used to implement the Selenium real-time projects. Okay, so after having knowledge, after getting knowledge on these basic concepts, then you must know what is a arrays concept, how many types of arrays are there, how you can declare the arrays, and how you are going to use the arrays concept in Java programming language. You must know this concept as well, and strings concept as well. What is string, what is the string buffer, and what is string builder. Okay, so these are most frequently used concepts as a Selenium automation test engineer. Okay, strings concept. Okay, and then so after learning all these things, then here is the main topic and main concept is object oriented principles. Okay, so without object oriented programming concepts, you may not write any Java program, like class, what is class, what is object, okay, what is the inheritance, what is the encapsulation, what is the abstraction, what is polymorphism. These are the main pillars of to write or to build object oriented programs. Okay, so therefore you must be strong in on these areas. Okay, and also you must know what is a method overloading and what is a method overriding, and where to use method overloading and when to use method overriding concept. You must know with examples. Okay, so after that you must know what is abstract class, what is an interface. Okay, how we are using and how we are using interface concept in Selenium real-time projects. Okay, you must know interface concept as well. So you have to focus on 50 to 60% on OOPS concepts only, object oriented concepts only, because in the interview also the interviewer will focus on object oriented programming concepts. After that you must know some access specified concept, like what is private, what is a default, what is a public. Okay, you have to know, you have to know these concepts as well, because you must use these access modifiers in Java programming language. Okay, and what is package also. So after that you must know some collections oriented concepts, like mostly in Selenium real-time projects they use like a list. Okay, array list, and set, and map. So you have to focus on these concepts: list, set, map. If you learn these concepts with examples, then you can easily crack the Selenium entry into the software company as a Selenium automation test engineer. So these concepts are enough. Whenever you are getting real-time experience and growing your professional experience, automatically you will meet some other Java concepts as well, like files, like multi-threading. These are all the main Java concepts to become a Selenium automation test engineer. So that's all guys, mind. If you feel this video is a very informative video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your peers and friends as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.